this year, we use the diesel coming from Banana Shipping, and last year it was like a fast track. We used the from the shipping diesel, but this time it is more like the one we used in 2018, in the Navy, but it's a smaller one, but it's a prototype up, and we have here the owner, no? So maybe
I request Sir Rafael to enlighten us also with the
For the Fluvial, we're using the Galleon LCD vessel. It's a cargo vessel, but we're going to be transporting it for the Fluvial Galleon. It's named after the servant of God, Archbishop Teofilo Kahuma, whose beatific